Exactly 1 month ago I told you to buy Solana when it was at $39. Right now we are higher, 85% profit, and as you know, it's not all, we are still expecting much higher prices. In this video I will be sharing with you some on-chain data, I will be sharing with you some technical analysis on Bitcoin as well as fundamental and sentiment analysis. So if you want to make money in the crypto market, make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from Crypto Paradise and I want to start with Bitcoin sentiment. As you can see, as the prices are going higher, the sentiment is going more and more bearish. This is actually the disbelief rally which we have been calling many times. Months ago we have been telling you this is going to be a disbelief rally and it will take us to $43,000. Right now, however, we are already above $43,000. As you know from our previous video which was shared 3 days ago, I have told you exactly we will overcome this 43 mark and then we will start consolidating, and this will be beneficial for altcoins. This is exactly what happened. As you can see, we have overcame this $43,000 mark. We have retested that level, as you can see right here. So right now it is acting as a support. It was switched from resistance into support and we will be consolidating in this zone $43,000 to $46,000. I will switch on a bigger time frame. Let's go on a daily time frame, and exactly in the previous video I told you this is going to be the upper border of our zone, consolidation zone. So let's really just put there the horizontal ray right here at $46,000. Let me put it right here, and this will be acting as a resistance. Okay, so as we are entering this consolidation cycle, which will be really working exactly as I have predicted, we will be again making money on altcoins. And as you remember from our previous video, I have been sharing with you the Ethereum / Bitcoin price action chart, and let me put there on this time frame, lower time frame, and as you can see, I have been telling you that on a weaker Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin will start to lose the momentum, Ethereum will actually start pumping against Bitcoin, and that's exactly what happened with ParadiseTeam VIPs. We have been also really anticipating this move and we have been making crazy gains on Ethereum. As you can see, we have bought it at low and we have been selling high. Right now we have been also taking profits on some altcoins. We have been also in our scalping channel been taking some crazy gains, 143% profit on some altcoins, 39% profit on some altcoins. So this is just starting and I will be describing to you why. First of all, why we really know that this is going to continue is because of the sentiment. This is a disbelief really, as the price of Bitcoin is going to higher. The sentiment around retail is just absolutely crazy bearish. So people are calling for correction, selling, they are trying to really jump back on the train because they have missed the bottom. Probably they are not in our ParadiseTeam VIP free channels, they are not watching these videos, so they have missed the train. And right now as the sentiment goes down, the price is going up. This is a crazy divergence and it is visible here on this on-chain chart as well. Let me show you right here. Basically here we are analyzing the keywords on social media. So people are calling for bull trap, people are using keywords like FUD, Binance, which is basically bearish news, right? CEO is being locked up, so people are basically stuck in this kind of fear state of mind, and this is perfect for the prices to go up. So as I have been telling you in the previous videos as well, until the sentiment at least goes at the same level as Bitcoin, we will keep pumping. All right, so after the sentiment goes above the price of Bitcoin, we will start looking for positions aggressively, and then with ParadiseTeam VIPs we will be entering strategically into short positions and covering our portfolio. Right now let's take a look back on Bitcoin. Let me switch on 4-hour time frame. This is our medium time frame where each candle represents 4-hour trading activity. Let me delete this and let's take a look at what happened. So as we have reclaimed this $43,000 resistance, we have then basically switched it into support by really reclaiming it and retesting that, alright? And also we have started to create a double bottom formation. So let me show you how the double bottom formation looks. You need to have two equal lows, right? And basically it will cross the descending trend line. Let me see if this is exactly what happened. And as you can see, this is our descending trend line. There is our double bottom formation, and yes, it really crossed that. This is the resistance also of that double bottom formation, which was broken. And as you can see right here, by closing this candle, 4-hour candle above it, we have retested that resistance and turned that into support as well, together with breaking down this downward descending trend line. So this double bottom formation worked absolutely perfectly. Not only that, but why we are right now with ParadiseTeam VIPs in a long position, but why we have entered that as well is because of this bullish engulfing candle. As you can see, the bullish engulfing candle appearing at the bottom of a downtrend, and basically it needs to close higher than the previous candle. That's exactly what happened as well, so that was another confirmation for us. And the other thing is that basically we are trading inside of a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is a bullish continuation pattern, and we came from this uptrend, you know. So this triangle, which I will chart for you right here very easily. Let me chart it right here. So this is our symmetrical triangle. It's a bullish continuation pattern, so there was again more probabilities that we will break out. So understanding first off the sentiment, which is bullish because most of the people are bearish, and whales always go against the majority because we want to liquidate as most people as possible, so then we can start pushing the prices quite easily. The probabilities were adding up with this technical analysis, and then we have been doing some kind of on-chain analysis for us as well, and that came up with a great probability that this symmetrical triangle is really going to break towards the upper side right here, and we are expecting this breakout to continue, and we will be revisiting our upper border at $46,000. So then we will be, if I switch back on the daily time frame, we will start to consolidate, and we expect this consolidation to take a while until Christmas for sure. And then after that we will go into that correction and retest that $38,000, which is now acting as a support, and we will also retest this higher trend line. Once again, what this consolidation will mean for altcoins? For altcoins, it will mean that because Bitcoin will be calmer, it will have enough power for the crypto total altcoin market cap to push forward as well. So for Solana, we are retesting this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. We still expect that to happen. From the current market price, it's around 128% more, so absolutely amazing. We are already 80% up from the previous video which we have shared with you a month ago, but we don't expect this to stop right here just because of these reasons. Let's also take a look at other charts which will be supporting our bias. So basically, if I switch on daily time frame on our total free market cap, which is the altcoin market cap, you remember extremely well, I've been sharing with you this descending trend line in the previous videos. I've been telling you this zone will switch from a resistance into support, and we got exactly that. We broke to the upside, and I told you there will be a retest. The retest happened exactly right here, and now we are continuing to the upside. And as you know, I expect this $610 billion resistance to be retested. From the current market price, it is 36% higher, and for some altcoins it will mean 200%. For some altcoins it means 300%. For some altcoins it will mean only 20% gains until we go in there. And with ParadiseTeam VIPs, Our goal right now is to maximize our profits, and then at the right time, before a correction, we will be securing our portfolio and enter in a short positions. As you can see on Bitcoin dominance, we are also getting projected from the upper horizontal resistance right here, and the total market cap we expect to go up. However, the Bitcoin dominance we expect to decrease, and I've been sharing with you this 42% mark, which is also 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and that still is the case that I expect that to be retested, and this will basically mean an absolute beautiful altcoin rally for the upcoming months. So looking forward to that. Also, let's take a look at the others dominance, which is basically crypto total market cap excluding top 10 altcoins with Bitcoin. So basically this is a market cap of these smaller altcoins, and as you can see, we are basically having the price action I have been expecting. I have been in the previous videos sharing with you that I expect this previously resistance now be turned into support. That's exactly what happened, because we have went high, then we went down here, we have retested this level right here, this 11.30%. It worked as a support because right now we are recovering from that level, and again I expect 14.30, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level to be retested. From the current market price, it is around 18% higher. Again, for some altcoins this means 300% profit, for some other altcoins it means only 20% profit, right? So all these things are confluencing with our bullish bias, and we are strategically gonna be acting based on that. Yesterday, if you are in our free Telegram channel, I have been sharing with you also this beautiful example of how Bitcoin is really losing the momentum and altcoins and Ethereum are gaining on it, and this will continue as long as we are in this consolidation cycle right here. So remember, 43,000, this is our resistance, and 46,000 where we are going right now, this is, remember, 43,000, this is our support, and 46,000 where we are going right now, this is going to be acting as a resistance, and I expect the consolidation to happen in this zone, and this is going to be perfect for altcoins. I will be updating you about the current situation in the market in the follow-up videos. Make sure you are in our free Telegram channels. If you are not yet, smash the like button if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Cheers.